Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq Hayat bin Ahmad Yazid. My metric number is 23DLS18F1054. Today, we would like to present about our final year project. Before I start, let me introduce about our team. First is Muhammad Nur bin Ahmad, metric number is 23DLS181010. Second is Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Suaid, number metric is 23DLS18F1020. And Nurul Nadirah binti Roizan, metric number is 23DLS18F1030. And my group name is The Pandemic, and the supervisor of this project is Sir Shamsul Nizam bin Abdul Rahim. Introduction. Layout play a significant role in graphic design. Layout refer to arrangement of element on a page, usually referring to specific placement of image, text, and style. Understanding the layout of design is very important. Designing a mechanical workshop layout means guaranteeing a comfortable and safe environment both for workers and for customers, and complying with all the technical standards required. Layout design for Carzlan Auto and Spray workshop facility is an important element which support the production of a company to run smoothly. The less effective layout of the facility is result the product produced by the company less than the maximum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad. My metric number is F1010. This slide for business problem segment. There are some problems that Carzlan Auto and Spray are facing. One of them is layout of Carzlan Auto and Spray is not strategic. It's very complicated. The movement of the vehicle to in and out of the flow of the layout is not organized. Next, Carzlan Auto and Spray does not have a specific place to put all the equipment and raw material. So when the equipment is placed everywhere in the workshop, it will pose a danger to worker and customer, which can cause injury. Other than that, Carzlan Auto and Spray also had a small space for daily operation. This can cause any project became late. In cause of the problem, Carzlan Auto and Spray were unable to complete the request by deadline.
Alright, next is objective of the business project. The objective of the business project is to develop a layout and manage storage system for Carzlan Auto and Spray workshop. And the specific objective is to optimum space to organize equipment and facilitate movement of goods to create a safe and comfortable work environment. Next is to reduce movement of workers, raw material and equipment, and last is to promote safety of plant as well as its workers.
Scope of business project. The scope of this project is for an overview of the layout and inventory of Carzlan Auto and Spray workshop. With the concept of operation, it can help Carzlan Auto and Spray make some improvement to solve the problem. For example, by arranging the raw material like paint, hand tool, power tool, hand jack are put in the right place, and add safety feature and highlight the dangerous part so that the employee must be more conscious so that we can avoid any accident. A clean and systematic workplace makes it easier to spot and avoid hazard and do not interfere with normal work operation. Carzlan Auto and Spray is located in Labu District, namely Kampung Jijan. The address 4750 Jalan TS 1/19 Bandar Baru Nilai 7Y800 Nilai Negeri Sembilan. The duration of this business project running from August to November 2020. In addition, this can facilitate all the flow of work activity and service to be smooth and more efficient. Finally, the company can review large order from customer and complete the problem in a short time.
Limitation of business project. Limited access to data, distant teammate make it difficult to discuss together to complete the business project, which the current situation is very hard and dangerous to meet people in an organization to survey and collect the important information to related with our final year project. Time constraint. Time constraints are due to the responsible that need to be implemented as students to be listened. Limitation due to pandemic COVID-19. Pandemic that hits the world caused the emergency of obstacles to everyone, especially to students.
Company background. As you can see the picture at the slide, he is the owner of Carzlan Auto and Spray. His name is Carzlan bin Mukri. He is 55 years old. The address of the business is at Lot 3102, Kampong Jiran Tengah, Nilai, Negeri Sembilan. The company established since 2010. The total staff of the company is 2, and the operation time from Monday to Saturday at 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And the mission of the business is to make customers satisfied with his job, and the vision is to maximize their profit.
Next, product and service. Service provided by Carzlan Auto and Spray, which is a repair body service which is have a damage. In addition, Carzlan Auto and Spray also offer painting service in their workshop. Often, the process of painting a car will take a week or more. It depends on the car. If a small car may take less time than a large car. So the price offer for a car is RM2,000. And lastly, Carzlan Auto and Spray also offer aircon service for car. So for this maintenance service, Carzlan Auto and Spray only take wages, and profit is as low as RM7 ringgit for one car.
Situational analysis, SWOT. First, strength. Have a high quality workers and can do multitask. Have a loyal customer. Third, painting activity non-systematic location is not strategic. Opportunities. The cycle of activity in the paint shop will be more organized. The weakness is the duration of the painting process is quite long to complete for a tour vehicle. Situational analysis, 5C. Company. The company have a high quality workers and can do multitask. Second, customer. Have a loyal customer. Company takes order up to 15 vehicles per month. Competitor. Customer do not wait long time for their car to be settled down. Provide the best service. Collaboration. Buying a raw material at Smith's Woods Nilai, Sendirian Berhad. Auto power part. Climax. Open several vehicles. Use technology such as grinder machine, polish and welding.
Next, justification. Project is needed because the existing layout does not follow the more efficient justification and does not take care of the safety of employee while working. Next, the problem to be solved by the project is the problem of difficulty in moving that can delay a project completed on time because the layout used now is not strategic. The purpose of proposing a solution to this problem is to increase quality of work and increase efficiency of employee and can complete order from customer quickly. Next, the benefit the project have been if the work produced satisfies customer. The customer who come to the workshop will give a good feedback and will recommend to this workshop to their friend and to the public.
Research design. One of the qualitative research is interview and focus group. In a qualitative interview, good questions should be open-ended, require more than a yes and no answer. It is usually best to start with a question that participant can answer easily and then proceed to more difficult or sensitive topic. Data collection. Interview the manager about the store run and what service are offered. Involved in interview a total of 5 people including the store manager. As a group member, we have a focus to collect and keep all the data about Carzlan Auto and Spray Shop for our project before complete the task given. During the visit to Carzlan Auto and Spray Shop, what we observe at their company is we find a problem that the company has faced. What we found is the average of the staff agree that they need improvement with their layout.
One of the key elements to workshop efficiency is to minimize vehicle movement within the premise. Times by moving one car from one corner to another just to cater for another car to enter into the painting booth is time consuming and time wasted. Before this, Carzlan Auto and Spray has problem with managing customers' car movement within the vicinity. The movement process was illustrated in the shown diagram. If the first car has finished repair, they must relocate car number 2, 3, and 4 so that the first car can enter the painting booth for painting process. To solve the Carzlan Auto and Spray layout problem, we have designed new layout for them. With this new design layout, we put all the cars to the side of the workshop as illustrated. This is to facilitate the process of getting the car in and out of the workshop and not blocked by others as per previous layout, and easier for workers to work as they do not require to move others' car one by one instead. Now, cars which complete bodywork can be moved directly into the painting booth for painting the car body. With this, we can save more time and can perform work efficiently. Next is, to solve the missing and lost item at the shop floor problem, we have created a store so that all tools or raw material such as spanners, painting, thinner, car cement, compressor, and sanding paper now can be stored in the store. In the store, we also create rack for Carzlan to put all the paint material in the new stock or balance paint from previous project so that he can keep the balance and use for next customers. This way, it makes the layout look neat and orderly. Other than that, every each bay we put a table for staff to put all their tools, notes, and everything that they need and use for repairing customers' car. This can avoid any tool, screw, or car part from missing and litter on the floor. Problem, we would like to use 5S technique. 5S refer to 5 Japanese terms used to describe the type of the 5S system of visual management. Each term starts with an S. In Japanese, the 5S are Sheri, Shaitan, Seisho, Shikitsu, and Shitsuke. In English, the 5S are translated as sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Alright, first is Seri, which is sort. Sort through material, keeping only the essential item need to complete tasks. This action involves going through all the contents of a workspace to determine which are need and which can be removed. Everything that is not used to complete a work process should leave the work area. For example, all the machine, tools, or car parts that has been broken must be removed from workplace so that the work area will look better, neat, and organized. Other than that, the Carzlan staff also can make their job in more comfortable. Second is Satan, which means set in order. Ensure that all items are organized and each item has designed place. Organize all the items left in the workplace in a logical way so they make tasks easier for workers to complete. This often involves placing items in ergonomic location where people will not need to bend or make extra movement to reach them. For example, we developed new section at Carzlan Auto and Spray, which is storage system. Before this, Carzlan don't have store to keep all his tools or raw material like paints, sanding papers, tapes, spray gun, thinner, and so on. With the creation of store, all the raw material now can be kept at the right place with the right label so that it makes the staff easily to find the item that they need. Next is say so. It means shine. Proactive effort to keep workplace area clean and orderly to ensure purpose drive work. This means cleaning and maintaining the newly organized workplace. It can involve routine tasks such as mopping, dusting, etc., or performing maintenance of machinery, tools, and other equipment. Number 4 is Shikitsu. It means standardize. Create a set of standards of both organization and process. In essence, this is where you take the first 3 S and makes rule for how and when these tasks will be performed. This standard can involve schedule, chart, list, and etc. The last is Shikitsu. It means sustain. Sustain new practice and conduct audit to maintain discipline. This means the previous 4S must be continued over time. This is achieved by developing a sense of self-discipline in employees who will participate in 5S.
Conclusion: good layout management can increase the maximum level of work efficiency and can increase productivity. Good work can not only streamline the work process but can also reduce loose ideas directly or indirectly. Weakness of layout can also occur if the layout in the system is not systematic, not fulfilling the schedule will also cause the workplace to be dense. The objective of the business project is solve the problem that occur to arrangement of the workshop is very important because the unsystematic layout. Recommendation: firstly, optimum utilizations of space. Second, prioritize quality of work. Lastly, safety in the workshop must be emphasized.